that why cricket is so popular in India except the other game because other sports are also there. So let's start with our friend Yugal.
So my first point is about the advertisement. You might have seen many places like in our street there is advertisement of cricket RCB team, and you might have seen many advertisement. Because of that, many people like the IPL and cricket in India.
And most of the time there are many people are here who can play for the our teams, but what are their aspirations and the inspiration for the among people. That's why most of the people like to see cricket.
The biggest reason of the popular of cricket is the India won 1983 World Cup. Because of it, the influence of cricket is bigger than all of the most sports.
So as we talk about the British system, in the past time there is a colonialism system and lot of things are there. But at the same time, we are adapt cricket from the British.
So, do you know guys about one fact about it? That in the 18th century, this is fully that now we are playing cricket. This was created by the British rulers, and that time in the colonial period, it became the colonial pride, and now we are also using it with the different matter. So, anyone guys add some points?
So also I wanted to talk about our inspiration, like our Hariom said, or star player or our favorite player. Like most of the people like Dhoni, most of the people like Mr. Dhoni, most of the people like Kapil Dev, most of the people like Sachin Tendulkar ji, and many people are there, many sportsmen are there, many cricketers are there. The people like.
And now I'm going to talk about why only they, because there are many sports and most of the people are here and who can also did best. But talking about these people, like first talk about the Sachin Tendulkar. He has a Bharat Ratna, which is the biggest thing. And talking about the story of MS Dhoni, it's a very great story, and because of him, there is a movie made by on him.
Yes. So yes, Hariom said right, because there is a whole influence of Bollywood, because they make movies of biography like MS Dhoni the Untold Story and Sachin the Billions. So that's because the people of civilians try to connect with the players also.
So as we talk about the IPL is the biggest example in the cricket history, because as we talk about the lot of in the 2024-25, it is a big mega auction. As we talk about the mega auction, it is a lot of players are hired from the higher amount, like Rishabh Pant is hired from the 27 crores rupees. So lot of childhood dream, lot of people have a desire to we are also hired by them. So that's why they are left.
So, as you know, guys, that now we are using some culture as a norms. So, the cricket is also called the one of norm or one of the symbol pride in this whole world because the India we can say at the number one in the case of the cricket. Why? Because of brilliant players are there, and because of the our British rulers, because they create a norms that it's a biggest or great, and our Indian peoples also got interested in that, and now it is going on.
So I'm also going to talk about schools and colleges. They also promote our cricket because doing they usually do and they often do cricket leagues, cricket tournaments, cricket battles in between the schools classes and some batches, which is really good, which promotes the students, which promotes the youth to play and get make our cricket more popular. That's
So,
why India is
so
popular.
what do you guys think about that? Why our sport government is not doing for any kind of work about the other sports things? Yes, Hari.
First thing is about the first most important thing is about the in our India. There is a main thing about the climate and the weather, because there is a many other sports like ice skating and ice hockey in which our India wants ice, but because of the weather, don't India doesn't able to play any kind of other game. Even the cricket we can play any season and any winter season, any kind of weather.
So there is also a big role of necessity. In cricket, you only need one bat and one ball, and you can play with it. So that's why gully cricket is also famous in all over the India and the town side also.
The more question is how government didn't promote other sports like football and lot of things are there. But that's the reason, because our government predict that the other sports they invest, we always lose due to the famous names and other things also. But whether they are either they are invest in the cricket, then they predict that we always win in that match.
So the government is not doing anything. The Mohit asked a question to the government that, and is government promoting any kind of other sports except the cricket? So I will say not that much, because you can see they are promoting but not that much like our cricket, because there are too much of advertisements, star players, awards, rewards to them, and because of their popularity, security, and many things are there, the government is promoting and giving a chance to the cricketers.
And do you know that if we will talk about the in India, there are only 52 international stadiums, but if we will talk about the normal, so there are more stadiums. But in the case of the football, there are 50,000 plus clubs, academies are there in India. But and even because of the 50,000 academies and the clubs are there, but why government is not promoting? This is the biggest question. What do you guys think about it?
13-year-old boy won the Olympics. Never done.
So, in my opinion, football is not famous because of the star players. You could also say that the main reason of cricket popular that star players, and also India never won any world title in football. Also, they always lose with the points in world football system. That's why India is not also involving in other Europe club also.
And also the most point is that about the audience. Nowadays the many people and all the kind of audience just they can engage in the cricket, and nowadays they don't have interest in any kind of sports. That's why cricket is the only sports who can good in as compared to other state, and they are famous.
A very dark reason also. Whenever we see IPL, any ICC tournament, there are bid system also. Who wins the today match? And there are a lot of controversies are there. They want to bet them, and they are just hire the players, and they are fixing it. So that's why our government promote our cricket.
So, if we will talk about the case of the cricket versus Olympic, so what do you think about it? Because you all know, and my people or my audience are also know about it, that they are just watching the cricket, and they all know about the IPL cricket, but they never think about the Olympic and the silver medalist and the bronze medalist. Why this discrimination is going on? How we can change it? And what do you think about it? So, anyone have the answer on it? Yes, my friend Anuj.
So main reason is time. So main reason is time duration. Because of time duration, in Olympic games, the games only held in 30 minutes, hardly 1 hour. But in IPL games, you will see that the game is going on nearly 3 hours and to 4 hours, and there is also engaging things like super overs and who is winning, whose team is winning. But in Olympics, you will see that only once some players are only playing, and the time duration is so less other than the IPL games or cricket game. So that's why it is because. So Priyanshu, do you want to else anything about the point?
Yes, I want to add some points because it is our Indian mindset. Because it is my Indian, because it is our Indian mindset. Whenever we saw any people who is a lover of IPL, ICC, but whenever we saw a man who is a lover of Olympics, it is very least or it is nothing. There is no more alive who is watching Olympics due to your also connect with answer, like there are lot of things are there. So my friend Ariom, do you also add a lot of point?
Yes, I have one more point, because first thing is that about the most of the time what happen, we know when we watch our TV, and most of the time we know about the player's name, and even when we saw IPL, in which we know about the how to play. But in what about the Olympics and about the anything else? Because most of the people don't know about what kind of players is here, and how much type of games are here. How much times of games are here? In that time, most of the time, what happen? We know about the advertisement, in which what happen, most of the time they don't give any kind of advertisement in the TV to the other games. So that's why most of the people don't know about the any games, any Olympic games. So that's the reason. And do you know one more point? And if you want any more points, so my Yugal friend also suggest some points.
Okay, Yugal.
So I want to say about the psychology of Indians, in which you might have seen many advertisements. Many people are increasing and influencing the people about the cricket, that the Bumrah did this, Dhoni did this, Virat Kohli did this, Rohit Sharma did this. But talking about the Olympics, except the gold medalist is being appreciated in the whole India, but not in the whole India, in some places. But talking about the bronze medalists, silver medalists, they are not that much appreciated, and also there are very few influencers who are talking about silver medalists and Olympics in India, because of the advertisement. In that, you might have seen many advertisement of the cricket, but talking about the Olympics, you might have never seen a Olympic advertisement in your life, but you might have seen about the cricket. So what do you think, Anuj Bhaiya? Do you want to add something?
So yeah, also I noticed that there is also big role of revenue, because BCI give many revenues to the players, to the coaches, to the any selectors, to the team of the IPL team. But in Olympics there is only there is low revenue to the players, so they can't encourage by their revenue also. So they not think about to play many games in Olympics. But BCCI always support to the players who want to play cricket. So that and also sponsors them to play more cricket and more leagues of the India. So that's why they can't get so many revenue. So Hariom, I want to ask that if any Olympic player want to play and encouraged by, so they are encouraged by any sports, how will they play to the Olympic level?
So in the starting, what a person should do. In the starting, we know about the first thing, everything which our government provides us. First thing is that we should appeal to the government, because anything, if we anything in the future we want, so the government is the biggest role to achieve this, and it's a kind of pillar who help us. So if you want, and if any person want to become any medalist and any Olympic player, so that's the thing which also government can help us to do. Even the second is about our popularity. We should also try own self to engage another people on us. So that's thing what happen. Most another people can also engage and also try to take us in his team.
Yes. So as you know, guys, that one person who got the 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. So what do you think about it? That what Indian peoples or what Indian parents should do for it?
So in my perspective, what Indian parents will do, simply they will think about their children's future, that if the child is doing, if that the Vaibhav Suryavanshi is doing that, so our child can also do that. The motivation will come in their mind. They will encourage their child for getting and playing great. What do you think, Hariom? Can you tell me, please?
Yes, and also most of the time, even most of the children like to play cricket in their street, and that's why they are also seeing crickets in their TV. So also most of the time, parents can appreciate their children towards their future, because most of the students and children are want to become cricketer. So they will also help them, and even the interest will develop in this kind of thing.
But do you know one thing, a special one thing, and hello viewers, and do you also know a Vaibhav who break all the records of the Sachin Tendulkar, Yuvraj Singh of the Ranji Trophy? He played Ranji Trophy in the age of 12 years. As a lot of cricketers have played Ranji Trophy in the 15 years old, but there are only one golden child who played the Ranji Trophy, like Ranji Bihar Trophy, in the 12 years old.
And there is so much any players who are recording the break in Ranji Trophy, in Mustaq Ali Trophy, and they're playing and representing their team also in countries, sorry, in states, in district level also.
So, as my Hariom friend said that about the one thing about the TV or the ad shows that people's got this kind of thing. So, this is only the one side of the TV or the other side of TV. What do you guys think about it?
So, in the other side of TV or the cricket, you might have seen betting apps. In some betting apps like A11, B11, C11, X11, Y11 and Z11, you might have seen in them from 1 rupee you can make crores, thousands and millions with that. But in the reality, what happened, they scam you and you get zero money. Like our friend, you might have seen on the internet, a person lost 96 lakhs rupees, which is so much because of only gambling app. So, what do you think, Priyanshu?
I think this is a very bad. I think this is a very bad thing in our and also affect in our society, because there are a lot of children who are just grow by their parents, by their society, but it is a very it is a spread very bad effects on the children who is inspired from the our cricket. It is a very bad thing, like as you also mentioned example of A11 B11. It is very bad betting apps and manipulates other.
So what do you think? Who is supporting to them?
I think there is a big role of influence by the cricket stars. Your favorite player and your favorite player also shows and sponsored and promote the betting app also. So this is influenced by the many people. They think that their favorite player is also promoting this app, so you can also play this app and you can earn money from it.
And also, most of the time, people and also children like to see and watch mobile phones and TV. In there are many kind of advertisement come, and they can directly show, and they can directly can show this kind of thing. So you can also try this, and even it might be harmful or good. It doesn't matter, but they can show it, and that's why children are go depth in this.
So how we can control it? How we can prevent these kind of the problems that people are betting in the these kind of apps by the money sponsored?
So first thing I want to tell about that, watch the cricket for their fun and for the enjoyment. If you want to make any kind of future with that, so you can make. But talking about if you want to watch and enjoy the cricket, so enjoy that, not go in the betting apps or in a bad way. And controlling that is very important, because of that you will not be scammed and you will not lose your every kind of money.
So what do you think about? So what do you think about it?
So in my opinion, Yugal is right, because if you got addicted by these betting apps, you will think that you will earn money, lot of money. But in real life, you think you losing your money day by day from minimal amount. But after this minimal amount getting bigger and bigger, and this will go to the depth of their money.
And even a player who can we see in our mobile phones and even in crickets like IPL, they can play for their enjoyment. But what about us? What we are doing? We are also like to enjoy with them. But most of the time, there are many people came here and also in our surroundings, and they can also appreciate us. But in which they can also try us to. We can also do this kind of thing. But even we should try to avoid this kind of thing. I am right or no? Tell me.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi. This guy, 13-year-old guy, the child won 1 lakh and 10 lakh, 1 crore and 10 lakh rupees, which is really much, and the child won with the help of cricket. What do you think? What do you guys think on this topic? What Indian parents would think and what Indian parents would do on this topic?
So in my opinion, every Indian parents think about that his son also can do and earn this revenue also, because every person think that if you want to play cricket in the stadiums, in the any type of team selections, so they will also get this amount of 1 crore 10 lakh rupees.
But sometimes it might be happen. Most of the people and most of the children are using the many beatings apps, and because of these, most of the time what happen? They can lose their money. Even you know about the one person who lost his 90 lakh rupees. So many times it might be harm. So according to you, what's your opinion?
Yes, my friend Hariom, you are saying right that many, because there is a problem of the mainly the social media app, the celebrities, the heroes, and even the many devices are supporting them. For example, the TV, radio. You might have seen that you they show the greediness that you will be got the 1 crore rupees and more than it, the car, the TV, and these kind of the things. They will be trap you in there, and they will be try to manipulate you. And if you will be manipulating them, so you will never be back, because this kind of the loop are here, and you will be see in the every second, in the every state. So be aware of it. So why are you forgetting, guys, about the sponsored? So do you have any kind of points about the sponsor? Because sponsored plays a very critical, or you can say important role in it.
So yeah, because of sponsors, the crickets get much money to the players, because they sponsor the cricketers like star players, Virat Kohli, and any kind of players who is more interesting to the ad. So they give them ad to advertise them, and that's called also encouraging many people to buy the things, and also they get connected with the player. So Yugal, do you want to add any point about it?
So in the sponsorship, the sponsors and the sponsors give many money to the player. Yeah, as you said. But talking about is also attracts the interest of the people. Like a people who is not cricket player, it will attracted by the sponsor because sponsor gives money because of the performance, because of this. Like you took an example of Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, and many people are there, many cricketers are there who are being sponsored by sponsorships, and they are earning many money because of that. So I'm going to talk about Hariom. What do you think about that?
Yes, you are right. Because most of the time I see many where even we use mobile phone and TV where we can use and see the many advertisement. But talking about the nowadays, it's a growing up technology. So nowadays, one day I went somewhere. So in meanwhile, I saw in a metro there is also full metro covered by advertisement of Bumrah. That's the thing which so it's the biggest point which is good for the players and also for people because that can engage the audience towards their game even for their product. So what's your opinions, Priyanshu?
So yeah, my friend Hariom. So first of all,
See to Hariom.
so as you can see, and a lot of bad companies are there. As you can see, there are a lot of bad companies are like SS, SG, and as we can also see MRF company. Do you agree with the point? MRF, C8, they play very important role in the cricket history. Like we are seeing MRF as a Sachin Tendulkar, Virat in president Virat Kohli. As we can see Reebok as a MS Dhoni back. They are not a bad company. They are sponsors. Do you agree with the point? They are sponsored. They are not companies. They are not. They are not bad companies. They are sponsored to promote the cricketers and promote their own company. So, dear Mohit, understood.
Okay. So anyone want to add any kind of points about it? Yes, Yugal.
And in the Olympics, you might have seen there is not that much sponsorships, and there is almost no sponsorships. But talking about the cricket, in the between them, sorry, there are too much of sponsorships, and all about them. In my street, there is a sponsor named Muthut, and they are doing the sponsorships of RCB. You can see the banner of them, and every sponsors who are doing like Finolex, Apollo, and any kind of country, not country, the company you can take sponsors which are helping the cricket to grow and which are helping the cricket to find more interest in them and which are helping the cricket to make more interest in the people to get attracted towards the cricket. That's why cricket is good.
Yes. So at the end, do you have guys any kind of the points about
Yes.
it?
So there are three advertisement points. So first point is promo. Promo we are can see there are lot of brand ambassador and like ABCD company. They just make a ad with him the cricketers like MS Dhoni and lot of cricketers there. And second thing, jersey. As you can see, there are a lot of brand companies are just logo companies are just mentioned on the jersey numbers. A lot of things are there. And I already mentioned bad company. Do you agree with the point?
Yes.
There are a lot of bad companies. So thank you.
So at the end, guys, there is the main problem of the sponsor that the sponsors are just they are paying toward to showing to their attractive or to attract the more people, and we are in a loop and we are also getting it. So be aware of it, and you should also aware of it. So this side Mohit, and at the end, what have you learned? Comment down, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.